This makes me look so creepy. Quarantine day. I don't even know. Do I have corona yet? I don't think so. All right. Good morning. I'll usually just lay here for, I don't know, 30 minutes. Gross. You excited, Bo? Very excited. It's a big day for you. She just licks it. Quarantine vibes. There we go. Look who just showed up. You done? In the email brief about this, it says he can share his daily routine working on music. Okay, sure, fair. Cooking? Yeah, I don't know about that. This feels like one of those like horror films, like where they find like this found footage of people that eventually died, you know? So good. So, day in the life. Okay, this is it. Just look at that. There's a happy boy. Oh, right, forgot about skincare. Okay. One of my favorite features of the new Gmail are these automatic replies. Cool. I guess I can make coffee. Well, this is embarrassing. I was gonna do this whole montage with grinding the beans and do it in slow-mo and do all this like sick camera stuff, but this is pre-ground garbage. I guess this will have to do. Also just taking a moment to appreciate these amazing mugs made in Japan. This is so satisfying. How do you know if somebody uses Arch Linux? They'll tell you. I'm gonna have to figure out how to pixelate this, but thank you, Juno. Hey, hold on, let me get my AirPods. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so fire all the cannons. Yeah, Bananaconda. Yeah, send me the Milan numbers. Come on. Hey, Gretchen, can you send the facts right now? Yeah, and could you add dictated, not read? Yeah, monkey tennis. What are you talking about? Janet only broke 2 ribs. Oh, it's your birthday again. Okay. I mean, I don't want to put labels on it, but that glue is pretty abrasive. Wait, what do you mean? Like, who got tasered? Okay, so get this. 20-piece orchestra band. Why are you crying? Let's do a wet t-shirt contest, but make them eat the t-shirts. I don't know, man. It sounds like a scam. Oh, you mean geographically? Hey, hold on, my AirPods died.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Gotta water these plants. Kitties. Yeah. Dude, I do not believe in lampshades. Oh, I gotta, let's make it the color of blood. Well, how much is a Shire horse? I mean, dude, crank up the aesthetic. Bro, in this economy? Hell yes.
Jessica is a methica tonight, okay? A mess.
We live in such a disconnected and distracted world. Your value is often judged solely by the photo on your dating app. True. But everyone wants to be loved for who...
Kitties. Again. Ironically, I ended up spending my entire day working on this.